Got the radiator out. You see it's nice and open down there. The one thing I'll say is that when you're pulling the radiator, this is facing the front of the car. The air conditioner condenser sits in these holes here. So if you don't know that, it can get you jammed up. So you gotta wiggle your condenser out of there, get it back, and get all this stuff past this plastic piece on either side. Will get hung up. So you gotta kind of wiggle it out one side from to the other. I couldn't get this hose off. The clamp is on the bottom of it, and I didn't feel like going under the truck to do it, so I left it like that. So that if you could remove that hose somehow, that might help you. But the hose gets a little hung up. I'm going to take it off before I put it back in there. I could put it back on with the clamp from the top, but the way it's put in, I'm assuming it was installed from the factory like that.